So I was recently at a Japanese restaurant where they had a hot stone cooking option on their menu. I tried it, loved it, fell in love with the concept, and immediately took my behind to Amazon to find me something similar. And after searching through all of the options that were available, I found this to be my favorite out of all of them because it came with two stones, and I just liked the little additional accessories that it came with, which I thought completed the whole ambionic effect of the cooking stones. So you do have to prep these stones before you ever use them for the first time. So of course you have to clean them and you have to pop them in the oven at 550. Yes, 550 for 45 minutes. So do this the day before you ever even use the item. And once you have that all good to go, the next day you're ready to play. So you put those stones back in the oven at 550 for 45 minutes, and then you're ready to cook. So I sliced up some beef real thin, and I added butter to my stone because why not? And it turned out phenomenal. It did not take long for my meat to cook because I did slice them thin. That is the trick to using this. Make sure your meat is thin so that it cooks thoroughly. So yes, I really love it. I suggest it. Go and get it.